exercise 1, I'm going to use a mace, and I'm going to do a flip with a squat. So as of right now, my weight is where? On my right side. So I'm going to go squat, flip, squat, stand. That's your order. Flip, it's leveled, squat, stand. Flip, squat, stand. Flip, squat, stand, flip. Notice when I flip it, I'm not letting it fall, practicing good form, quick side view. So here's my flip, squat, stand, flip, squat, stand. That's exercise 1. Exercise 2. I love kettlebells, just like I love the mace. So we're gonna do a one-sided squat. So I have the kettlebell in a rack position, my wrist is straight, resting in the rack, and I'm ready to go. You can choose the stance that's most comfortable. Inhale as I drop, exhale as I'm up. So there you go. Unlike the other one, if I wanted to bring it to the opposite side, which is more dynamic, I can do some fancy exercise. For our purposes, you keep it on one side, 3, 2, 1, and then up. So what you're not seeing, my body may want to shift or flex. So that's where that core is working really hard. Offset training is a fantastic addition to whatever strength program you have right now. You also can use a dumbbell instead of a kettlebell. The only thing that's a little bit different with the kettlebell and the dumbbell that we can do other maneuvers to get it from point A to point B, but that's for another video. So at this point, my friends, I hope you like it. Post your comments and don't forget to subscribe.